Hobby Kids TV.
Hey hobby friends, hobby kids are hungry today for McDonald's. Why don't we open up this McDonald's Play-Doh set? There's some surprises coming. Oh, here comes our first customer. Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order, please? Cheeseburger Happy Meal with a surprise toy. Here you go, Peppa Pig. Oh, yummy. Goodbye. Have a good day. Welcome to McDonald's, Ronald McDonald, where the golden arches are. Wow, you're tall. First off, I'd like some French fries, please. An order of French fries coming right up. These fries are way too big. Let's go ahead and cut them. I'd like a chicken nugget and a cheeseburger. Just one chicken nugget? Yeah, I'm Ronald McDonald. I can order whatever I want. Okay, one chicken nugget coming right up. It's a good thing I have my chicken nugget mold. That was the sesame seed bun. Now let's do the bottom bun. Boy. We don't want to forget the cheese. Let's put all this inside of your Happy Meal. Here's your chicken nugget with some tangy barbecue sauce. Thanks, Barbie. That'll be $12.95, please. $12.95? Boy, I'm gonna have to talk to the owners about this. Have a great day. Come again. This is gonna be tricky to get this Happy Meal home. This little restaurant is so cute. It has a bunch of vintage characters on it. Well, probably only vintage to some of you. And the golden arches act as a little handle. Let's see what the McDonald's surprise has in it today. It's a Teeny Beanie Boo! Oh, it's a little owl. And if we turn the box around, you can also, for boys, get a Mario Kart like this one with Yoshi. Although, I'm a girl and I think Yoshi is awesome. But Yoshi is awesome if you think Yoshi's awesome too.
Bonus question, did you see the string cheese Shopkins at the beginning of the video? Type Shopkins in the comments below if you did, and who is it standing next to?